रोहित वर्मा के ग्लोबल इंडिया कॉटोर वीक में लग गया सितारों का मेला, जो यहाँ पर अलग अलग अंदाज में नजर आए। आपको बता दें कि इस खास शाम में नजर आए कई सितारे, जैसे कि आकांक्षा पुरी, पूनम ढिल्लो, प्रतीक सहजपाल, युविका चौधरी, फहमान खान, फलक नाज, शिव ठाकरे, दीपशिखा नागपाल, डायना और विकास गुप्ता। इसके अलावा कई और सितारे इस शाम में हुए शामिल और ग्लोबल इंडिया कॉटोर वीक को बना दिया और भी ज्यादा खास। बात करें रोहित वर्मा की तो उनके स्टाइलिंग के क्या कहने, तो कुछ ऐसी रही सितारों से सजी ये शाम।
I always look forward to Rohit's very creative, colorful, bright, vibrant collection because I don't think he's ever done dull and boring clothes. He always does vibrant. And for some reason, whenever I get a Rohit outfit, it's always bright and very vibrant. And I love red, so I'm in this red outfit. And I look forward to this because I think we need to support India and made in India designers and make sure that they reach internationally and they do India proud.
Thank you so much. Yes, I have to live up to his theme, the floral garden. So I've come like completely dressed like a floral garden today. And Rohit always comes up with such innovative designs and such dramatic styling and everything. So his shows are always, and it's a pleasure to watch his shows, to be a part of his shows. And he's an amazing designer, and we all know he has such class, such style, and he's just too exquisite. I think this is going to be a great show. I'm really looking forward. And yeah, I hope I still match the theme of being flowery today.
Beautiful faces around, and such amazing people around. So it's a great vibe to be here, and really looking forward to the show. And बस मैं chewing gum खा रहा हूँ, इससे ज़्यादा बोलूँगा तो chewing gum बाहर ना आ जाए कहीं.
I just want to congratulate to Rohit Verma, and this time I shot with him because he personally, told me that you have to do this shoot for me, and actually it went well. So beautiful, super happy for him. Whenever he's doing something different and beautiful, and lots of wishes to him. Always good luck, Rohit. And this time again, we're going to enjoy, all of us.
I think it's all very well organized, looking lovely, and I'm here to support my very, very dear friend Rohit Verma, who is so talented. I can't wait to see the show now.
And I'm super excited for this because it is all about Mystical Garden, and Rohit has really curated amazing stuff today. So I'm super excited for this too.
So we are very happy to be here to support Rohit Verma. He's an extremely talented designer and a dear friend. So we are here to watch his new collection and cheer him up. So all the best to Rohit, and let's rock it tonight.
And Rohit knows that I love florals, anything to do with flowers and gardens, my favorite theme. So I'm here to support Rohit and love it.
Congratulations कहना चाहूँगी रोहित को. Rohit is like a family. और आज तो कुछ ज़्यादा special है because my daughter is walking for Rohit. So I'm very excited. Today is double excitement.
and बस हमेशा की तरह fashion show चल रहा है. You'll see the people with a happy smile and good dresses. That is what happens in Rohit Verma show.
Well, I'm very excited to be here for Rohit always. He's worked very, very hard for every collection he does, and I'm very proud of the fact that he's a friend of mine, and I'm really looking forward to the collection he has.
I had to be here for Rohit show because I have not been able to attend his shows in the last 3 years. Because fortunately, every time he calls me, I am busy shooting somewhere. And unfortunately or fortunately, this time I was free and I came. And he's always been very lucky for me. He's always been there for me. And obviously, I have to be there for my little brother, my little Rohit. And I wish him all the very best. And may he keep rocking, may he keep flourishing, may he keep glamorizing all of us. And I wish him all the very best.
Hi, I'm Ruby Bhatia, television presenter and happiness life coach. और मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है to be here at Rohit Verma's fashion show at Couture Week. This is the ultimate show. रोहित एक बहुत ही close friend हैं. बहुत सालों से हम एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. I am very thankful and honored to be here, and I wish him all the best, and I know he will rock. Love you, Rohit.
Rohit has been a dear friend, and I attend his shows every year. And this is something that I really look forward to. So I'm really happy because this year it's myth and magical. So yeah, I'm here presenting my magic to his show.
I'm so much excited for Rohit's show because I can say that's a dream come true for me for Rohit's show, because I think 3 months ago I asked somebody that I wanted to wear Rohit's style. How is it possible? Really excited, and yes, I have a goosebumps right now that I'm gonna wear a design dress. So lovely, lovely for me. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Anuradha, for coming for me on one phone call. You're a true inspiration to, and thank you for representing my country. And you are the inspiration of many household women who thinks that their life is end. And you are the one who is setting up the benchmark and example for everyone.
Thank you so much.
Today for this Global India Couture Week, and I've come for Rohit, especially Rohit Verma, and his work is always unique, very different, and he does a lot of effort he takes, you know, when he's into it. So I'm sure it's going to be really, really lovely, unique and beautiful. Thank you.